Let's be real, traditional businesses are expensive. You need capital, inventory, storage, and sometimes even employees. But what if I told you there's a way to build a highly profitable business without any of that? Right now, thousands of people are quietly making 6 and even 7 figures selling digital products, and in this video, I walk you through exactly how you can do the same, step by step. Whether you want an extra $1,000 a month or a full-time income, this guide will give you the blueprint. So, if you're ready to take control of your time, finances, and freedom, stay locked in. This might just change your life. Before we dive in, I owe you all an apology. A bunch of you commented digital guide on my last video, and I saw every single one. That told me loud and clear you're serious about learning this. But here's the thing. I was supposed to post this video way earlier. My system crashed, and I got locked out of the very setup I used to upload and edit content. It slowed things down, but now, we're back, and this video is packed with everything you've been asking for. Let's get into the full breakdown. Here's what you'll learn in this video: the best digital products to sell, how to create them fast, even if you're a beginner, where to sell them for maximum profit, and how to market like a pro. By the end, you'll have a complete action plan to make money online, even if you're starting from scratch. What is a digital product? A digital product is anything you create once and sell over and over. No inventory, no shipping, and you keep 100% of the profit. It's the ultimate low-overhead business model. Here are some of the most profitable digital product types out there: ebooks and guides, online courses and tutorials, Canva templates and spreadsheets, stock photos and graphics, AI-generated content like prompts, tools, or scripts. And the beauty of these products, you can create them once and sell them forever. Why digital products are so powerful? Time is money. With physical products, you're constantly reordering inventory, managing shipping, and dealing with returns. But digital products, you make it once and sell it an unlimited number of times. For example, let's say you create a $20 digital planner. If just 50 people buy it per month, that's $1,000 in passive income. And once it's uploaded, it literally sells on autopilot. Where to start? Ebooks and digital guides. So, where should you start? Start with ebooks and digital guides. Here's why. Low cost and easy to make using free tools like Canva or Google Docs. High demand, people are constantly looking for solutions to their problems. And once it's created, it can sell every single day without extra effort. Here's how to create one. Pick a topic you know well. Think of something you've solved for yourself, like how to budget and save money, or beginner's guide to starting a YouTube channel. Use Canva or Google Docs to structure your guide into helpful, bite-sized sections. Add visuals or checklists if you can. Upload and sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. And that's it, you've built your first income-generating asset. How to make your first $1,000. Now let's talk about how to actually sell your digital product and make your first $1,000. 1. Social media marketing. Create short, valuable content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Twitter that talks about your niche and links to your product. Share tips, insights, or even personal stories to connect with your audience. Use Canva to design eye-catching promo graphics or video covers. Always include a call to action. Drop your store link in your bio and remind people to check it out. 2. YouTube Shorts and AI videos. Repurpose your content into video format using tools like Pictory or CapCut. For example, turn a blog post or a section of your guide into a 30-second explainer video. End each video with a clear CTA like grab the full guide link in bio. 3. Affiliate partnerships. Reach out to influencers, bloggers, or niche content creators who already have your ideal audience. List your product on platforms like JVZoo or PartnerStack. Offer commissions this way. Others are motivated to help sell your product while you expand your reach. Bonus tip. Build an email list from day one. Use a lead magnet like a free checklist. mini guide, or toolkit to collect emails. Platforms like ConvertKit or MailerLite make it easy. Once someone joins your list, you can continue to promote new products, updates, and special offers. Final thoughts and action steps. You've now got everything you need to start building your own digital product business. But here's the big question: will you take action? To make it even easier for you, I've put together a free step-by-step guide to help you get started. Inside, you'll find 10 profitable digital product ideas, the best free tools to create and sell, secret tips, and hacks to make more sales. Want it? Just comment digital below and I'll send it right over. And if you want me to create a video of the step-by-step guide I've put together, just comment step guide, and once I see your interested comments, I will create the video for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more passive income strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.